Can you buy a new home before selling your current one? In a perfect world, the timing of both transactions would align seamlessly, but in reality, real estate deals don't always work that way. So, what are your options if you find your dream home before selling the one you're in? Stick around because I'm breaking down the key strategies to make it happen. Hey, I'm Austin Smith, a real estate expert helping homeowners navigate the complexities of buying and selling in Austin. If you're in this situation, you're not alone because it's a common challenge. The good news is that there are ways to do this without unnecessary financial stress. Let's dive into three key strategies that can help. Number one, sale contingencies and delayed closings. One option is adding a sale contingency to your contract, meaning your new home purchase depends on selling your current home first. This protects you from being stuck with two mortgages, but in a competitive market, sellers may prefer non-contingent offers. Another approach is negotiating a delayed closing, giving you extra time to sell while still securing your new home. Your agent can help structure this to your advantage. Number two would be bridge loans and rent back agreements. If you need financial flexibility, a bridge loan can cover the gap between buying and selling, allowing you to make a strong non-contingent offer. Just keep in mind that bridge loans usually come with higher interest rates and shorter terms. Another strategy is a rent back agreement where you sell your current home but stay in it temporarily, paying rent to the new owner while you finalize your next move. Number three would be exploring alternative solutions. So if those options don't work, there are other creative ways to make the transition smoother. We offer a program called Get Paid Twice. That helps you buy before you sell. Reach out to us to learn more. You could also consider renting out your current home for passive income or selling to an iBuyer for a fast cash transaction. But that convenience often comes at a lower sale price. Buying before selling is possible, but it requires the right strategy. If you're considering this move, let's talk. I'll help explore options and find the best approach for your situation. Schedule a call today and let's make your next move stress-free.